Hey, what's going on, guys? And for today, I am going to show you how you can fix audio problems with your Acer laptop or computers. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first, navigate to the lower right corner of your screen, and here you can find your audio or your speaker icon. Now let's go ahead and click on this one. Now make sure that your speaker icon here is not on mute. So you will know that it is on mute when you can see an X mark right next to it. So to unmute this one, you just need to click it. So if that didn't work, go ahead and click on this icon right here to display all your output devices. Now, from this list, you can scroll down and find the right output for you. In my case, I am using my headphone, so here I am going to select headset earphone from Jabra. So just like that, I can already hear the audio coming out. Now, if this didn't work, go ahead and click on More Volume Settings. And from here, you can scroll down and go to More Sound Settings. Now here, this is going to list all of your output devices. Now make sure that you are on the playback tab, and here you will see your devices. So in my case, I'm using my Jabra headphones. So here we can see that it is selected. So in your case, you can scroll through these entries and find the right output for you. If you're using a speaker, you can go ahead and click on this speaker and click on Set Default and click on OK. Now, if that still didn't work, what you can do is you can go to your search bar and search for Device Manager. So it's right here. And go to Audio Inputs and Outputs. And from here, click on the scan icon right here. So your system is going to scan for new drivers or devices that you recently added to your system. And once it finds it, it is going to be displayed on this list. Now, if it does, you can go ahead and select it and click on OK, and you should be good to go. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.